Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? You all are fine? Good afternoon, my lovely kids. Once again, I am here with math subject. Today, math subject. And what we learn today? We will revise number 11 and number 12. हमने एग्ज़ाम के पहले नंबर 11 और 12 लिखना सीखा था, लेकिन अब इतने टाइम आपका गैप हो गया है ना, छुट्टी हो गई है, इतने टाइम हॉलीडेज थे, आपने एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन की, हॉलीडेज एंजॉय किए. नाउ वंस अगेन वी विल रिवाइज नंबर 11 एंड नंबर 12. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मी writing number 11. Okay, so how to write number 11 and what is number 11? 11 means 11 things. 11 means 11 things and 12 means 12 things. नंबर 10 के बाद में 2 डिजिट नंबर होता है नंबर 11. फर्स्ट हमने 1 to 9 कौन से नंबर पढ़े थे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So number 1 to number 9 is single digit number. 1 to 9 number is single digit number. Now we will start number 10. Now we are already doing number 10. This is 2 digit number. And today once again we are revise number 11 and number 12. So number 11 and number 12 both are 2 digit number. Both are 2 digit number. See here 1 1 11. 1 1 11. 1 and 1. This is 2 digit number. 11 and 1 to 12. 12 is also 2 digit number. So let's start with me. Okay. Now first we count how many objects 11 and 12. So we will revise 1 to 10 counting. Okay. See here leaves. So see here I am making 11 leaves. Once you count with me. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, once again count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. How many leaves are here? 11 leaves. How many leaves? 11. Okay. Now let's start to write number 11. So how to write number 11? First we explain ones place and tens place. You know ones place and tens place? Yes. See here O. O stand for ones. And here T. T stand for tens. T stand for tens. Okay. Now which number we write here? Here we write number 11. So because here how many leaves are here? 11 leaves. So here we write number 11. So how to here we write ones and tens. Now we write number 11. So we write how to 11 means 1 1 11. 1 1 11. So here we write number 1 and 1 11. 1 1 11. Yes. Skip one line. 1 1 11. Okay. 1, 1, 11. After number 10, which number come? After number 10, which number comes? 11. Yes, 1, 1, 11. Once again, skip one line. Once again, write 1 in tens place and write 1 in ones place. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Once again, 1 and 1. 11. 1, 1, 11. Speak and write. 1, 1, 11. You have to speak and write so you learn the number. Okay? जब आप बोल बोल कर लिखेंगे तो आपको अक्षर की, नंबर की, वर्ड की अच्छे से पहचान हो जाएगी. तो ऑलवेज स्पीक एंड राइट. आपको जब भी कुछ भी लिखना है इन मैथ्स, इन इंग्लिश, इन हिंदी, सो फर्स्ट यू स्पीक, यू हैव टू स्पीक एंड राइट. ओके? वंस अगेन skip one line here also and make ones column and tens column. Now here once again 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Once again skip one block. 1 and 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. After number 10, which number comes? Number 11. Now once again, skip one line. Here once again write T stand for tens and O stand for ones. Okay, don't write here because no space here. Okay, so once again count it. How many leaves? If you have a space in your notebook here, so you write here one more line. Okay, here I have no space, so I am not writing here number 11. Okay, यहाँ अभी मेरे पास जगह नहीं है इसलिए मैं 11 नहीं लिख रही हूँ. अगर आपकी नोटबुक में है स्पेस कि वन लाइन स्किप करके आप 11 फिर से लिख सकते हैं, वहां पर 3 टाइम्स भी लिख सकते हैं, तो प्लीज यू हैव टू राइट हियर. ओके? नाउ हियर वंस अगेन काउंट हाउ मेनी लीव्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So how to write number 11? Yes, 1, 1, 11. So we write here number 1, 1, 11 in only one block. See here, 1, 1, 11. We write number 11 in only one block. Now see here next, which number comes after number 11? Tell me. Nobody tell me. Okay, which number comes after number 10? Number 11. And which number comes after number 11? Number 12. Yes. Number 12. So we write here number 12. 12 means 12 objects. 12 means 12 objects. See here leaves are here and here flowers. See here, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How How many flowers are here? 12 flowers. Okay. You make different type of pictures. अगर मैंने फ्लावर या लीफ बनाया तो जरूरी नहीं है आप भी फ्लावर या लीफ ही बनाएं. Is it your choice? Okay. अगर आपको पसंद है कोई अलग पिक्चर बनाना तो you have to make different picture. Okay. See here. Once again here we will count how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many flowers are here? 12. So we write here number 12. Once again write here. Ones. O stand for ones and T stand for tens. And once again we will write number 12. So how to write number 12? We write number 11. 1, 1, 11. And how to write number 12? Number 12. 1, 2, 12. Yes. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 12. 1, 2, 12. And after number 11, which number comes? Number 12. Which number comes? Number 12. So here we write number 12. Okay, let's start. Now, where we write number 12? How to write number 12? Where we write number 1 and where we write number 2? We write number 2 in tens place? No. We write number 2 in ones place. We write number 2 in ones place. See here how to write number 12. First we write number 1 in tens place. 1. And हमने क्या कहा? 1 to 12. So we write number 1 in tens place and we write number 2 ones place. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one block. We write number 1 in tens place and we write number 2 in ones place. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one block. Here we write number 1 where? In tens place. And we write number 2 in ones place. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Speak and write. Speak and write. जब तक आप बोलेंगे नहीं आपको आइडेंटिफिकेशन नहीं होगा. Please students, please parent, you tell to your what कि वो बोल बोल कर लिखे. जब तक बच्चा बोलेगा नहीं उसे लर्न नहीं होगा. He is or she is not identify which letter is this. Okay. So please speak and write. Okay. Which number is this? This is number 12. Let numbers identification के लिए, letters identification के लिए, words identification के लिए जब तक आप नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक आप identify नहीं कर पाएंगे. So first speak then write. 1 to 12. Once again 1 2 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one block here. First write tens place and ones place. T stand for tens and O stand for ones. Once again here write 1 in tens place and 2 is in ones place. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay, once again skip one block. Here 1 2 12. We write here 1 in tens place and we write 2 is ones place. 1 to 12. Next skip one block. 1 2 12. 1 to 12. Okay. Number 12 comes after number 11. Number 12 number 11 के बाद आता है. 1 1 11, then 1 2 12. Okay, once again. 1 2 12. Number 1 in tens place and number 2 is ones place. Once again skip one block. Here once again write T for T stand for tens and O stand for ones. Okay. Now once again write where we write number 1. Tell me where we write number 1. Number 1 we write in tens place. 1. Yes. 1 and 1 to 12. So we write number 2 where? In ones place. Yes. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one line. Once again write 1 in tens column and write 2 is in ones column. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one line. Once again write here 1. 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Yes. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once again skip one block and once again one more time, last time we write here number 12. 1 in tens place and 2 is in ones place. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. So we revise number 11 and number 12. So once again we count flowers. Why I am again and again क्यों मैं आपसे बार बार काउंटिंग करवा रही हूँ? बिकॉज रिविजन इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड काउंटिंग इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. जब आपको सीक्वेंस में काउंटिंग जब तक नहीं आएगी तब तक हमें बार बार उसे रिपीट करना है. ओके, सो हाउ टू रिपीट? वी रिपीट विथ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जब हम काउंट करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स को तो हम काउंटिंग को बार बार दोहराते हैं. इसलिए बार बार आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करवाते हैं कि आप बार बार काउंटिंग दोहराएं और आपको नंबर्स अच्छे से लर्न हो जाए. ओके, सो वंस अगेन वी काउंट दिस फ्लावर्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Here we write number 12. And how to write number 12? 1 to 12. Very good. See here, I am writing here number 12. Here number 11. So students, you do in your math notebook number 11. First you write subject and revision of topic, revision of number 11 and 12, and make picture these types, and first write number 11 and then number 12. I hope you learn number 11 and 12. Students, stay home, stay safe, enjoy Diwali. Okay, bye bye.